Hello, my name is Rodrick, and for this project, I'm going to be showing you the workings of my project, the Arduino remote phone alarm. And so basically in this project, what you're going to do is you have a phone application, and at the Arduino, all you're going to do is press a button, and it's going to set off the alarm on your phone. That way, if you have your phone silenced, you will still be able to find your phone. First of all, I'm going to go into the code, starting with the Arduino code. What I do is I make a button, and I've set my message for what I want to send when I press the Arduino button, and set up a serial called Bluetooth, where I set the RX and TX of the serial. And for the setup, I just begin them at the baud rate of 9600 and set up my button as an input. So basically in this loop, if the button reads high once you press the button, it will simply send a message with these identifiers, so I can track the message when it's sent to the phone and decipher that to separate it from any other readings that may be coming into the phone at one time. And so going into the Android code, starting with the alarm code, taking this out of account, the button for the alarm is actually on the layout right here. So once the alarm starts playing, you will simply press this button, and that'll stop the alarm from playing, and it'll go to the next point. And all this will do, this will have the alarm play, and this will set the sound in which the alarm will be playing at. So after you press the button, it will actually go into this activity. This activity does nothing but display this message for you to let you know, oh, it's nice that you found your phone. And the main activity, which holds it together, I got a lot of stuff coming out because I was messing around with the code for a while. So basically all that happens is this will actually track. The way I have it set up is it will actually track the address of the Bluetooth device itself, and then it will find it from that Bluetooth device. But first, it will find the default Bluetooth adapter. So long as you have a Bluetooth your device is Bluetooth capable, it will find a Bluetooth adapter, and from that Bluetooth adapter, it'll find a device that is paired with, based off the address right here. And from there, after that, it will actually go into making a socket, which will be in the phone, where that's where actually all the messages and anything comes from the Bluetooth device. And from there, it'll actually just get the input stream. After getting the input string, it'll translate into a stream because it will go out in binary code, and it will just simply check to see if it got that same message. And if it does, it will set an alarm. Yeah, it's just set an alarm, and the alarm will go off as intended. Alright, now that the video showing off the code is done, I'm going to show you the setup I have for Arduino and Bluetooth device. So down here, as you can see, we have the button. Well, I have one connection into the voltage and one into the ground, separated by a resistor, 330 ohms. And with that, I also have the Bluetooth module, as you see here, with connected to 3.3 volts. Ground is the next connection right here. We also have the TX into pin 2 and the RX into pin 3. And from there, as you can see, there's the button. If you press it, it will go high. So it will connect to the voltage and be read as a high. That's what will activate the message itself. And so you can just see it on the Arduino right here. And now we're going to get into showing the actual demonstration. So
And so it actually isn't working just yet. So far as you can see, it asks for the pin, which is not supposed to do. And when I do enter the pin, it just does something like this. Watch. Well, basically, since it's taking a while, I'll go and explain it while it's doing it. It simply can't pair with the Bluetooth device for some reason. As you can see, the Bluetooth device is still blinking, and so it'll just constantly loop around and ask me to put in the pin again and again, or just, as you can see, go to sleep, because it just simply won't connect. Like, yeah, there it is. Bluetooth device can't connect. So with that being said, it's still not functional just yet. I've tried a bunch of stuff. I've tried entering different AT commands, resetting the Bluetooth and everything. It simply isn't working. So for future work is to obviously get this off and start working because it's not, and as well as getting around to making it a service app, so this will actually be very actually functional in a real life environment, because obviously you want to have to open the app every time you need to find your phone. If you can't find your phone, it's not possible. And also possibly using a smaller device setup, or just plain housing it in something so you can just easily press a button and it just start working. And yes, that's my project.